Welcome to Supercars TV 99. The open road has always promised freedom, but the 2026 GMC Savana conversion redefines that promise, transforming it into a statement of luxury, capability, and boundless possibility. This isn't just an update, it's a revolution in the full-size van segment, taking the proven, brawny bones of the Savana and wrapping it in a package designed for those who refuse to choose between rugged utility and refined comfort. At first glance, the 2026 GMC Savana conversion commands attention. The exterior receives a significant refresh, featuring GMC's latest bold grille design with available illuminated accents, sleek new LED lighting signatures front and back, and a more aerodynamic profile that hints at the sophistication within. The conversion process adds premium touches like distinctive paint options, upgraded wheels, and custom side graphics or trim, ensuring it stands apart in any parking lot or at any campsite. Opening the side door reveals the true heart of the transformation. The interior. Forget everything you know about commercial van interiors. Step into a realm of tailored comfort, where every surface is considered. High-quality, durable materials line the walls and ceiling, with options ranging from premium fabrics to easy-clean vinyls. The layout is endlessly customizable. Think plush, reclining captain's chairs that swivel to face a rear lounge, modular seating that converts into a spacious sleeping area, and expertly crafted cabinetry with integrated refrigeration, smart storage, and premium sound systems. It's a blank canvas for adventure, whether configured as a family road trip command center, a mobile office for the modern nomad, or the ultimate tailgating companion. Practicality is never sacrificed. The cavernous back area remains, offering immense cargo space for gear, sports equipment, or luggage. The beauty of the conversion lies in its flexibility. The rugged utility of the Savana is preserved but now hidden behind beautiful, functional panels and systems. With powerful V8 engine options expected to carry over, complete with robust towing and payload capacities, this vehicle is as capable of hauling a trailer to a remote lake as it is cruising in comfort on the highway. While final pricing will vary dramatically based on the level of conversion and chosen upfit, ranging from reputable specialists like Flair Space, Outside Van, or Sportsmobile to local craftsmen who expect the entry point for a well-converted Savana to begin in the high $80,000s, easily climbing well into the six-figure range for full-blown luxury adventure builds. This positions it as a premium alternative to both traditional RVs and luxury SUVs. The launching of the 2026 GMC Savana conversion is a strategic move. Arriving as the demand for bespoke, adventure-ready vehicles continues to surge. It taps directly into the growing van life and overlanding cultures, offering a turnkey solution that is both more personalized and often more durable than many off-the-lot alternatives. Availability will flow through GMC's commercial network, with customers working directly with authorized upfitters to create their perfect vehicle. In essence, the 2026 GMC Savana conversion is more than a vehicle, it's a platform for a lifestyle. It combines GMC's legendary reliability and power with the limitless potential of professional conversion, creating a sanctuary on wheels that is built not just for the destination, but for the grandeur of the journey itself. It's the ultimate tool for those who believe the best memories are made just a little off the beaten path.